ask a simple question. Is she mad that she'll break this TV? Do you know how long we're living together?
I'm not so mad.
Mama, see, huh? Enough of this nonsense.
I'm not.
Yes, Mama, hold it. I said hold it. I have seen that you don't want to stay with me again, huh? And it ends today. Mama, you will go inside now, huh? Pick everything that belongs to you. You're going back to the village. I'm not giving you transport. I am not giving you anything. Mama, get out.
Yes, my son.
My
son, can you listen to me?
Don't touch me.
Listen to your mother.
Honey, what is the money? Stand up, man. Get up.
Mama, stand up.
Pack your things. Get up. Pack your things. Get up. Pack your things. What nonsense is this?